Looking for an elegant dessert for your Christmas dinner? How about Mint Chocolate Mousse Domes? These are delightful treats, filled with a burst of minty freshness, encased in a rich chocolate shell. They're the perfect finale to a festive feast. Stay tuned to learn how to make these delicious and elegant Mint Chocolate Mousse Domes. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll be needing some decadent dark chocolate, rich heavy cream, a touch of peppermint extract for that refreshing minty kick, a bit of sugar, and of course, gelatin to hold everything together. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to start creating your dessert. Begin by preparing the chocolate mousse. Start off by delicately melting the chocolate until it's silky smooth. Simultaneously, whip the cream into soft peaks, and exercise in patience and precision. As the aroma of chocolate fills the air, infuse the mixture with a hint of peppermint extract, adding a festive touch to this sublime dessert. Now, gently fold the whipped cream into the melted chocolate, creating a heavenly fusion. Once your mousse mixture is smooth and fluffy, it's time to shape it into domes. Next, you're going to shape your mousse into domes. Start by filling the dome molds with the mousse mixture. Be generous and don't shy away from overfilling a bit. Now, smooth the tops with a spatula. This step ensures a flawless, rounded finish. But the real secret to perfect domes? Patience. Let them set in the fridge, ideally overnight. This waiting game ensures your mousse domes firm up and hold their shape. After they've set, you'll have perfect mint chocolate mousse domes ready to serve. And there you have it, elegant mint chocolate mousse domes. A simple yet sophisticated dessert, capturing the festive spirit with its refreshing minty touch and indulgent chocolate. The key to this recipe is patience during the setting process and the use of quality ingredients. It's a testament to the fact that elegance doesn't always mean complexity. Enjoy these mint chocolate mousse domes at your Christmas dinner and watch as your guests marvel at your culinary skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.